Hi students, welcome. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry, lesson hydroxy compounds and ethers. Topic oxidation of glycol. In the last video discussed reactions of glycol. In its continuation, today we discuss oxidation of glycols. Generally, oxidation of glycol gives a different variety of compounds depending upon the nature of oxidizing agent and under the reaction conditions. So nature of the oxidizing agent and reaction conditions influence the oxidation of alcohols. So first one, oxidation reaction of glycol. So glycol treatment with a nitric acid or alkaline potassium permanganate gives the following product. In this case, the nitric acid or alkaline potassium permanganate KMnO4, alkaline KMnO4 used as the oxidizing agent. Now discuss the equation for this reaction. Alkaline KMnO4 and nitric acid oxidize ethylene glycol to form an aldehyde, carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So oxidation of ethylene glycol, the CH2OH group is oxidized into CHO group, aldehyde group. Okay, so IUPAC name for this aldehyde 2-hydroxy ethanol. 2-hydroxy ethanol is the IUPAC name for the product. General common name glycol aldehyde. Glycol aldehyde. Then further oxidation of 2-hydroxy ethanol to form an acid. The aldehyde group oxidized into acid group. Generally, we know that oxidation of alcohol gives aldehyde, then further oxidation of aldehyde gives carboxylic acid. So, same rule in this reaction. Okay. So, oxidation of aldehyde using nitric acid or alkaline KMnO4, the aldehyde group converted into acid group, carboxylic acid group. Name for this compound. Compound number, carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name for the product. Common name glycolic acid. Common name glycolic acid. IUPAC name 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid. Then again oxidation of 2-hydroxy ethanoic acid to form an aldehyde. To form an aldehyde. In this case, the CH2OH group is oxidized into aldehyde group. So CH2OH group oxidized into CHO group. Okay. So now name for this reaction. Formyl methanoic acid is the IUPAC name for this compound. Formyl methanoic acid is the name for this compound. So common name glyoxylic acid is the common name for this compound, COOH and CHO. Okay, then suppose oxidation of 2-hydroxy ethanol gives another one aldehyde. So the CH2OH group is oxidized into aldehyde group, CHO group. Okay, so two aldehyde group are formed. So carbon number 1, carbon number 2. So 2 aldehyde. Okay, ethane 1,2 diale is the IUPAC name for this compound. Diale. So ale is the ale sound is the secondary suffix of aldehyde. Okay, so glyoxal or ethane 1,2 diale. Okay, ale sound indicate aldehyde. Okay, glyoxal or ethane 1,2 diale. Then again oxidation of ethane 1,2 diale to form glyoxylic acid or formyl methanoic acid. Formyl methanoic acid. Oxidation of formyl methanoic acid gives oxalic acid. Oxalic acid COOH. Oxalic acid IUPAC name for oxalic acid, carbon, 2 carbon, 1 carbon number 1, carbon number 2. Okay, so 2 carbon. Ethane 1,2 dioic acid is the IUPAC name for oxalic acid. Okay, then another one oxidation reaction. Oxidation of glycol with periodic acid, HiO4, periodic acid, right? So ethylene glycol on treatment with the periodic acid gives formaldehyde. In this reaction, periodic acid used to act as a oxidizing agent, right? So this oxidation reaction is selective for vicinal diols. So two diols present in the adjacent carbon. So vicinal diols and the ethylene glycol. This reaction proceeds through a cyclic periodate ester intermediate. Okay, so oxidation of ethylene glycol using periodic acid as an oxidizing agent gives or form a cyclic periodate ester intermediate. One ester intermediate are formed. So equation for this reaction, ethylene glycol treatment with the periodic acid form an intermediate, cyclic periodate ester intermediate. Cyclic periodate ester intermediate. Okay, this is the intermediate, cyclic periodate intermediate. Then decomposition of a cyclic periodate intermediate form formaldehyde. Okay, forms formaldehyde. So decomposition takes place in the intermediate. Okay, so this bond pair shifted to this carbon, CH2O carbon, then this bond pair shifted to this CH2O carbon, then the oxygen iodine bond pair shifted to iodine. Okay, so decomposition, cleavage takes place, bond cleavage takes place to form 2 moles of formaldehyde and iodic acids are formed, formaldehyde and iodic acid, HiO3 iodic acid. Okay, iodic acids and formaldehyde are formed. Okay, right. Thank you students, see you next class.